Earth Month is a time for teachers to raise awareness about environmental issues and inspire students to take action in protecting our planet. This calendar has been designed to facilitate discussion and learning around a variety of topics related to climate and the environment. The calendar has two main elements: the student calendar and the teacher activity guide. The student calendar challenges students to take one simple action each day of Earth Month. Actions can easily be done at school during the week or at home on the weekend. For example, students can be in charge of conserving energy at home by turning off lights. And while at school, the class can work together to start a composting program or a pollinator garden. For every daily action, teachers can explore a curated list of activities, lessons, and resources for all grade levels. On Be a Friend to Animals Day, take a quiz to learn which endangered animal you are most like, or learn about circular economies before conducting a classroom trash can audit. With over 90 resources, there is something for every classroom. Happy teaching!